Okay, I will show you how to print GI bleed images which have a dynamic series and few static series. So what you will do, you select all the images and open in the left screen, and you will see that this images has to be rearranged. So this is the layout you can select with three static images, and this dynamic image you can display with 3 by 7, or you can just check which one is the best fit. For example, this one.
I think this is the background.
Yeah. So you can change the color as you want. This looks good. And then for printing, you can select the Windows printer with inverse color and click print. So I created a screen capture, and you got this image. If you want to see, you can see this image, right?
Thank you.